Digestive health benefits. Regarding digestive health, oats are a faithful ally. One critical component that benefits oats is their high soluble fiber content, particularly beta-glucan. This type of fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance in the gut, which helps slow digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. By doing so, soluble fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining gut health and ensuring that your digestive system functions smoothly. Oats are particularly effective in preventing constipation. The fiber in oats adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass. This helps alleviate occasional constipation and promotes regular bowel movements, contributing to overall digestive health. Incorporating oats into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to keep your digestive system on track. Moreover, oats have a positive impact on gut microbiota. The soluble fiber in oats acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for various bodily functions, including nutrient absorption and immune support. By promoting the growth of good bacteria, oats help create a balanced gut environment, which can lead to improved digestion and overall health. So, adding oats to your daily routine can be a game changer for your digestive well-being. Heart health and cholesterol. Oats are a powerful ally regarding heart health, primarily due to their high beta-glucan content. These soluble fibers have been shown to effectively lower LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol. When consumed regularly, beta-glucans form a gel-like substance in the gut that binds to cholesterol and bile acids, facilitating their excretion from the body. This process not only helps to lower cholesterol levels but also supports overall cardiovascular health. Numerous studies have highlighted the heart protective benefits of oats. For instance, a meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming just 3 grams of soluble fiber from oats daily can reduce total cholesterol levels by about 5 to 10%. This reduction is significant, as lower cholesterol levels are directly linked to a decreased risk of heart disease. Additionally, oats are rich in antioxidants, such as avenanthramides, which have anti-inflammatory properties that further contribute to heart health. By incorporating oats into your daily diet, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease. Research suggests that individuals who consume oats regularly may experience a 20 to 30% lower risk of developing cardiovascular issues. So, making oats a part of your breakfast routine could be a simple yet effective step toward a healthier heart. Weight management. Oats can be a game changer in weight management. One of the primary reasons oats are effective for weight control is their high fiber content. The soluble fiber found in oats, particularly beta-glucan, helps to promote feelings of fullness and satiety. When you consume oats, the fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, which can help curb hunger and reduce the likelihood of overeating later in the day. Additionally, oats have a low glycemic index, GI, and slowly release glucose into the bloodstream. This slow release helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to increased hunger and cravings. By keeping your energy levels steady, oats can help you resist the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods throughout the day. Incorporating oats into a weight loss diet is simple and versatile. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts for added nutrients and flavor. You can also use oats in smoothies, overnight oats, or as a base for healthy energy bars. Experimenting with savory oat dishes, like oat-based pancakes or savory oatmeal bowls, can also keep your meals exciting while supporting your weight management goals. By making oats a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their benefits while working towards a healthier weight. Blood sugar control. Oats play a significant role in regulating blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain stable energy throughout the day. One of the key factors contributing to this benefit is the high fiber content in oats, particularly soluble fiber like beta-glucan. This type of fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which helps to prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals.